I wake up some mornings and sit and have my coffee and look out at my beautiful garden, and I go, remember how good this is. Because you can lose it. Jim Carrey. The solution often turns out more beautiful than the puzzle. Richard Dawkins. The essence of the beautiful is unity in variety. Felix Mendelssohn. Beauty is a gift, just like good health or intelligence. The only thing is not to be proud of being beautiful. Because you didn't do anything, it was given to you. Monica Bellucci. Someone who just has a really good heart, it's so attractive. Someone who makes you feel beautiful and encourages you, makes you better. Ally Brooke. Nature is ever at work building and pulling down, creating and destroying, keeping everything whirling and flowing, allowing no rest but in rhythmical motion, chasing everything in endless song out of one beautiful form into another. John Muir. I don't love studying. I hate studying. I like learning. Learning is beautiful. Natalie Portman.